Okay, a slightly busier day for you in the Weather Center. You had some activity. I know.
And everyone too. I mean, I know there's probably about half of the area that's like, I didn't get any rain.
Yeah.
But then there's the other half that's like, hey, finally we got some rain, got some lightning, although we did get some damaging wind along with these storms. They're not done yet. They're actually doing a good job of hanging on later in the evening. And here they go. This is how it looks out over Lake Travis from the Oasis restaurant camera here. There are storms in the hill country still, and our camera is looking due west into the hill country, and right on cue, some lightning there to show you. You can see where the vast majority of the rain is now. Not that we're rain free from the metro east, just that the rain coverage is much lower from the metro east. So we've got, yes, a cluster of storms in the hill country, but we do have a storm in the Georgetown area that is very gradually drifting off to the south and west, then another one in Leander. These are much smaller storms, unlikely to turn severe, and then another cluster of non-severe storms in our eastern counties. These two are gradually drifting off to the south. That's the same movement of the storms in the hill country, the strongest of which is entering northern San Saba County right now. Otherwise, it's beneficial rain with a few rumbles of thunder in parts of Mason, Llano, and Burnett counties. We'll have to keep an eye on these in case they start producing gustier wind like we had earlier. But now with the loss of daytime heating, it seems unlikely that they're going to strengthen a whole lot more than they have right now. We have a weak stalled front on top of us helping to produce the lift in the atmosphere. It's been moving south a little bit, almost acting like a cold front and helping to get these storms going and moving, and now it's sitting still. So scattered showers and storms remain a good possibility through about midnight or 1 in the morning, with a fading rain chance continuing overnight. Should be dry when we wake up, a lot of sun tomorrow morning, and then more spotty downpours and storms bubble up here tomorrow afternoon and into the early evening. I don't think the coverage is going to be as high as what we had today, but I have raised rain chances here for tomorrow from what they were at 10% now to 20%. So it's looking a little more likely we get some afternoon storms in spots, but clearly a lot of the area is going to stay dry tomorrow. A lot of sun tomorrow, and then the clouds bubble up for the afternoon. Should be another hot day with a high of 101. Here's how those rain chances look. Very limited, in fact, rain-free in the morning, and then those 10 to 20% rain and storm chances bubble up for the afternoon. Here's a look at your weekend. Mostly sunny both days. Rain-free this weekend. 101 Saturday, 100 on Sunday. It's going to be humid in the morning and a slightly lower humidity level in the afternoon. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So after Friday, there's not a whole lot to see. The only thing of interest that stands out is our high of 99 on Monday would break our current triple-digit streak that is now 13 days in a row. And we're thinking by the time we get into Monday, we'll be at 16 days in a row until Monday could potentially end our triple-digit streak. Otherwise, we're going to be in or near the triple digits through much of next week. The extended outlook deeper into September, likely hotter than normal during that period, and also drier than normal too.